In today's fast moving tech world, it's not just about learning to code, it's about learning smart. Hi everyone, I am Jack and welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who confused about how to start your programming journey, you are in the right place. But first, let's break the intro and let's get started. Today, I'm here to give you a clear roadmap from your first year to the final year. That is from choosing your first language, programming language, to learning DSA, to learning development, and to landing internships and placements. I have made the 4 years of B.Tech into 4 segments as first year, second year, third year, and fourth year, which I am going to discuss them individually. So without any further delay, let's jump into the topic. In your first semester, start with C language. It's great for real logic building. Alongside, you can try Python language if you need a smoother introduction. But my personal suggestion is to start with C language because Python has its built-in functions in it, but C language do not have. In your second semester, as you have touched the basics, now choose a strong programming language like C++ or Java to start learning DSA basics, which includes the topics like arrays, linked list, stacks, queues. Both C++ and Java are good for DSA. In C++ we have standard template libraries, where in Java we have collection frameworks. But syntax wise, if you see, C++ has less syntax and Java has somewhat more complex syntax. Coming to the second year, this is the right time to start problem solving. The platforms like LeetCode, CodeChef, and HackerRank. Pick only beginner level problems and then move to medium level. Parallelly, start preparing for advanced DSA, which includes the topics like trees, graphs, heaps, hashing, and algorithms like dynamic programming, greedy algorithm, backtracking, recursion, divide and conquer, and graph algorithms like Dijkstra's algorithm, Bellman-Ford algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, and Pint's algorithm, etc. In your second semester, jump into development. Choose one area that excites you more. It could be web development, app development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and cybersecurity. After learning them, try to build simple projects and then move to advanced projects. Also, this is the right time to create profiles in LinkedIn and GitHub. LinkedIn is to showcase your skills, GitHub is to store your code of projects. Coming to the third year, start making a good resume. resume building. It should be strong and professional, based on your skills that you have gained so far and your academic score. Then apply for internships. It should be paid one. So the company should pay to you. You should not pay to the company. And prepare for interviews to get into a good company. Coming to the final year, having completed some internships during your third year, now is the right time to update your resume by including your valuable experience from your internship. Actively applying for both on-campus and off-campus placements at reputable companies. Meanwhile, continue revising your topics like programming languages, DSA topics, core computer science subjects like operating system, computer networks, database management system, and low-level design. And don't forget to strengthen your aptitude and behavior questions to prepare effectively for coding and technical interviews during your placement seasons. You will be now in a strong position with skills, projects, experience, and practice behind you. So that's your full roadmap, year by year, step by step. And don't worry, I will be with you throughout this journey. I will be making videos on each part very soon to help you out from scratch in this AI array of 2025. So stay connected and subscribe to the channel if you are serious about your tech journey. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share to your friends. Let's grow together. This is Captain Jack signing off.